We are here, we are here, we are here. One is an amazing day. Everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay guys, we are marking up EUR, CHF. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Price action, last candle in the market. Is a bullish candle. So if market price engulfed this previous area here, previous candle, this market can be pushing up. We don't know how far. So let's break down this chart. So we have price action here. Lowest low is where price is currently at. So let's grab a horizontal ray. We have our price action lows, price action highs. And we can clearly see we have a midpoint right in the middle. So when price is, we don't know if price is going to engulf this previous area here. Excuse me. We don't know if price is going to engulf the previous candle and then push up. We may receive the break and retest. If not, market is currently just did the break of that midpoint line. So it could be coming back to retest. And so we could be looking for entry for that market to drop down, back down to that area, that low. Overall trend direction of the market is a downtrend. Market hit that area of support at that low multiple times, once, twice, maybe 3 times, maybe 4, and definitely on this 5th time. So we got about 2 to 5 pushes down to that bottom, 3 to 5 pushes down to that bottom of support. So we're going to see if market's going to eventually break for the break and retest. If not, market can be headed back up. Let's walk down the time frame and see what's going on. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Okay, so at that area of support, we can clearly see the market is working its way up. And what we receive is that double bottom coming down in red. First leg coming up in white, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up. We got a triple bottom actually in this area here, and that market pushed up. So we waiting for market to break this area of this doji, of that midpoint of this area, and then we can see market's going to head up to that area here. And also we are looking for that retest somewhere in the market is going to push that market up. So we're looking for that double bottom or triple bottom retest, market shoots up. Headed down to the daily. Okay, so what we can see is market did break the midpoint, so we can clearly see the break. Market came down to that area of that low. For sure, it came down twice for that double bottom, but this may be a third touch that area. Total 3 pushes down to that bottom of that area, and then market broke out. So we looking for some type of retest to happen. So we look for the market to come back down and retest something and push it further. So we don't know when that's going to happen. It may not happen. Market could just push all the way up to this midpoint. Once the market gets to this midpoint, then we're going to definitely have an idea what we're going to do. So clearly, so far, market is overall sales, but working its way up for that uptrend. Headed down to the 4. So let's read the market now. We got multiple push down to that bottom. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times, retest. So our market can still push up one more time, then that market probably have to consolidate for us to see another push. And if it does push up another 2 or 3 more times after this area, that means market price is being respected from this area here. What's drawn out in here is some type of W. The W in this structure that pushed that market up. So if market pushed up more than one time after this push, it's because of structure of this W. headed down to the 3. Wait, taking a look at price action, second to last candle lined up with price action. So that's that area of consolidation that we are looking for. For that retest, market may drop a little bit further. If not, that can just be the area of the retest, and the market just push up. We might have to identify that as time go on. Headed down to the 3 candles side by side. We can see that the market consolidating. Headed down to the 2. We got the market pushed up, came back down, pushed up. So we got a break and a retest, and the market trying to break previous areas of resistance. Headed down to the 1. So we receive same thing, 2-1, reading the same storyline. 45, same as well. Candles are getting small in the market. Price action is a third candle in the market. Last candle is a small candle losing momentum. So it's at the area. It could be a retest candle. Headed down to 30, same as well. Extended market, extended candles showing the same thing. 45, 30. Headed down to the 15. So 15, same as well. Got that side by side area of consolidation. Market is just spiking up and spiking down. These are a whole bunch of dojis in this area. About 3 dojis on the 15. Headed down to the 40 to the 5. We have a break and retest. Let's take a closer look at what's going on in this area. So on the 45, on the 5-minute, we receive what? Incline W with the retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times. So we're just in that area near price. That's the third push up that market is on. Still got a few more to go. So that's the market making an area consolidation on the 5-minute. Headed down to the 3. And find the same thing. Market like probably gonna come back down for a little bit of a retest on that 3-minute time frame or 3-minute candle. 3-minute time frame on the 3-minute candle, which is a small bearish candle. 1 minute showing an engulfing. Market could be dropping. Look at the 1 minute, not all the way down, but just to a certain level of this area of support. Could be the breakout. So we'll see. Market's in that range of consolidation. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Very important information, guys. Please review breakout retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. EUR CHF.